So the goal here is to count the vowels, vowels like A, E, I, O, U. To do this, the very first thing we are going to say, we are going to ask the user a certain input. What is your text in which you want to count the vowels? So I'll say text input, and I'm going to prompt the user, enter your text, colon, give a space, and this is what here he is going to enter. When you run this code, so this is how it's going to prompt you. So I'm going to type, let's say Rakesh. This is how the code is going to prompt you. Let's clear all the previous lines. Now here, let me say print text. If I'm going to run it, let's say I'm going to enter Rakesh, hit enter. You can see the text variable is containing the word and is getting printed. Very good. Now the next thing what we will do, we will create a variable called vowels, and here I'm going to store A, E, I, O, U and capital A, E, I, O, U. Alright, I've saved it. Let's create another variable called count, and I'm going to store a value called 0. I'm initializing the value called 0. When I count I'll increase the value of the count variable. Next, let's use a for loop. So I'm saying for characters in your text. So text is your input. If the character, when the loop is running, if C in vowels. So what is the meaning here? Let's understand. So what I'm saying, I'm trying to loop through the text provided by the user, and then I'm saying if any of the character, while you're looping character by character, you will see vowels. If it is present in this particular word, then I'm going to increase the count value plus equals to 1. Means, what is the meaning of plus equals to 1? Count equals to count plus 1. You are incrementing the value of the count to 1. You are adding plus 1. So that means it will become 1, 2, 3 like that. Alright, so once the entire loop is over, then what I want to say, I want to, let's say, print the count. That's all pretty simple code. Let's test it. I'm going to run the code and I'm going to enter my name, let's say Rakesh, hit on enter. So you can pretty well see, okay, here I've made a mistake. Let's say print, run it again, Rakesh. So here it's saying clearly your number of vowels that are present is 2. Let's write this code in a function way. Function means you are sending some input to a function and then you are getting the output. So this code, if you have understood, let's write it in a function way. So how do you define a function? You have to simply say define, and let's say count vowels. Okay, this is my function, and in this one I need input, the input string. So I'm going to say, let's say text. Okay, this acts like a parameter. Whatever the value you are going to pass it, it is going to stay there. Now inside this, all I have to do, I'll copy this particular code, hit enter, and enter your code. Now all I will do, I'll ensure the indents are written correctly, and then for also I'll give it a tab, if I'll give it a tab. Okay, now I have things proper way. So count plus 1. Now all I will do, I'll return this count, return count. Okay, let's see why the count, let me type it again. Okay, this has to be a tab. Okay, here also you have to give it a tab, so it is inside this. So now you can see the function is created correctly, return count. Now what I'm going to do, instead of all of this, I'm going to delete all of this, and here in the print I'm going to call the function. So how do you call? I'll simply say the count of vowels colon space comma. I will take the name of the function. What is the name of the function? Count vowels. And inside this, I'm going to pass the input coming from the user. This one I'm going to pass it here. So the moment you pass, the text will go here and it will do all the functions, and then it's going to return the value and it is going to print at the line 14. All right, so now let's run the code. Okay, let me type, let's say Rakesh. So it's saying the count of vowels is 2. Okay, let's try some other thing. For example, I'll say automate with Rakesh. So you can see there are many vowels. So what is the count? The count of vowels is 8. So you can see it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sorry, 1. I forgot A. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Correct. So this is how you'll be writing the code to count the vowels in a given string. Thanks for watching. Let's move on to our next topic.